So I've had a few people ask me in the comments what it looks like after dark and if I had ran electrical yet. So the answer to that is yes, I've ran electrical and it is all lit with LEDs. And here it is after dark. And I'll kind of walk up here a little closer. I went ahead and put a light over the door that comes on with a timer so that it's easy to see when we come here at night. There is a electronic deadbolt on the door, so we don't have to worry about having a key all the time or finding the key if I'm out in the yard and need to get in the shed. So that's what it looks like. I have one single LED halogen inside. Kind of show you that. It's right there, and it lights up the whole shed. That's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to make this video. I know some people had asked to see this, and just wanted to keep it short and sweet and just kind of show what it looks like after dark. And I'll link the video to the building of this shed also here at the end if you want to follow that, if you haven't seen that. Thanks for watching, guys.